When using WPS spreadsheet, we often need to add pictures for a more visual presentation. So how can we insert a picture into the table? Select the cell where you want to insert a picture, click the Insert tab, and then click Picture. Here we can choose Floating Picture or Embed to Cell. Floating picture allows pictures to float above cells. Then we can move and resize the picture at will. Embed to Cell is to pin the picture within a cell. We can't move the picture, but only control the size of the picture by resizing the cells. If we want to insert a picture in a table and make the picture float above the table, we can choose Floating Picture. In the pop-up window, click From File, select the picture we want to insert, and click Open. As we can see, the picture is inserted into the table. After inserting the picture, we can see that there are 8 small dots around the picture, and we can drag the dots at 4 corners to scale the picture equally. We can also drag the 4 dots above, below, on the left, or on the right to set the length and width of the image according to your actual needs. If the picture is too small to see clearly, we can click Picture Preview to see the original scale of the picture, or click Full Screen to view the selected picture. The feature Crop can crop the selected area. There are 2 ways to crop pictures: crop by shape and crop by scale. For example, if we want to crop this picture into an oval, we can click Crop by Shape and choose Oval. The picture is then cropped into an oval shape. So how can we embed a picture to a cell? Click the Insert tab above and click the Picture drop-down button. Then choose Embed to Cell. In the pop-up window, click From File, select the picture we want to insert and click Open. At this point, the picture is embedded to a cell. When we resize the cell, the size of the picture changes. What a practical feature! Did you get it?